Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can view multiple Excel worksheets at the same time on one screen. So for whatever reason you might want to do this because you don't want to keep having to toggle in between worksheets. You just want to be able to see data from 4 different worksheets all at one time. So basically what you need to do is you need to go up to the View ribbon and select New Window. And you need to do that for as many times as you want to see different worksheets. So in this case, let's say we want to do 4. So we have 1 here. We'll hit New Window. That'll give us a second. We'll go to View, New Window. That'll give us a third. And one more time, that'll give us 4. So now we have 4 of the exact same workbook all opened up on the same worksheet. Now keep in mind that this is the same workbook. It's not a different workbook or different Excel files. It's all one workbook, and we're trying to see different worksheets on that same workbook. Now we'll go up to the View ribbon and select Arrange All, and this little menu will appear. We'll go ahead and select Tiled because with 4 windows, that kind of makes the most sense, and we'll go ahead and hit OK. So now we can see that we have 4 options here. Now obviously this is taking up most of the space, so we can adjust this how we see fit by not showing the ribbon here, by showing only tabs, and then we can navigate in between different worksheets like this, or if we wanted to go all the way to this worksheet. So this way we can kind of navigate through this and adjust this. And now we have all 4 on the same screen. So that's how you can view multiple Excel worksheets all at the same time on the same screen. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you. And just have such a great rest of your day.